Five major things about IdeaForge IPO. First one, company overview. Company is a leading drone manufacturer having 50% share in Indian market. It has been founded on 2007 by two IIT students, Ankit Mehta and Rahul Singh. You would have seen Three Idiots movie. In that movie, the drone used in that movie belongs to this company. Besides that, Indian military and Central Police Force and other governmental agency are also using this company's drone. Second one, IPO details. The IPO is set to open on 26th of June and it will last up to 29th of June, and it is set to market debut on 7th of July. Its IPO size is around 567 crore, having a price band of 638 to 672. So lot size will be around 22. So if a one retail person want to invest, so minimum amount required is around 14,784. The bad thing about this IPO is like only 10% has been allocated to retail. So there may be lots of chances of large oversubscription. Third one, the main purpose of this IPO is to fund the working capital requirement. Second, to repay the early loan, and third, to use in the product development and general corporate purpose. Fourth point, company financials. Company has grown at 137% CAGR in terms of revenue in last three financial year. Although its profit is negative in prior year, but it rebounds to positive in recent year. Last and hot thing about this IPO is the company share is trading at a 67% premium in grey market, nearly about 450 rupees premium. So you can expect a handsome amount of listing gain if you have been allotted. So what do you think? Are you going to invest in this IPO? Let me know in the comment box.